Hi guys, this is Loreli with WTI. If you're looking for good quality, affordable cinnamon to add to your favorite recipes, well, I've got you covered. Badia cinnamon powder. And I love using this brand because it's incredibly well ground, making it perfect for baking. The fine texture blends seamlessly into my cinnamon rolls, giving them that rich, aromatic flavor that is just simply irresistible. For me, this cinnamon is great quality at an affordable price. Especially if you sell baked goods, it helps you keep your costs down while not compromising quality. I also love adding it to my coffee. A dash of Badia cinnamon powder in my coffee elevates the taste, adding that warm, spicy note that is just perfect for my morning routine. So, why do I love Badia? It's pretty simple, the quality. So if you haven't tried Badia cinnamon powder, I highly recommend it. It is my go-to for everything cinnamon, and I know you'll love it too. And that is my point of view.